Alright, we're on our way to the best Mandi in Makkah. It's in Shobia. It's called Hashi Basha. It's really good. So I'll give you guys a full scope of what it's like over there, a full review, and what to order. Because the whole menu is in Arabic, but if you order the right things, you'll get some of the best food. Probably the best Mandi that you've had in Makkah, inshallah.
तुम एक वीडियो करो बोलो इधर सारे हाजी लोग इधर ही रहते हैं महात्तल बैंक.
All the Haji from India and Pakistan live in this area. This is the Mahatadal bit in Azizia right here, this area. So any Hajis coming from India, Pakistan, they all stay here. Bangladesh.
Bangladesh, Niswala.
Acha, also. Niswala.
India, Pakistan, Kulu ada.
Kulu shaks.
The million food.
Oh, mashallah, mashallah. Al-Raji. Okay, so if you have the Al-Raji package, you have to come to this mosque. This is the Al-Raji mosque right here. This is where most of the American Hajis are staying, 4 Points and hotels like this. So most likely if you buy a package here from Nusuk Hajj, you're going to be staying in one of these hotels. These are the Zizia area. Very good, crucial information to know. They have international medical centers, they have everything. It's very well equipped. MashaAllah. These are all the buses that will take us to Mina, inshallah. It's full accommodation. Hashi Basha. So this is Hashi Basha right here. This is where we're going to be going. Alright, we're at Hashi Basha. We're about to walk in. Now I'll show you guys what to order. Now you order here first. Hashi Mandi. Kabir.
What's that?
خبز غنم. دجاج?
No. Dajaj?
No, hashi.
Hashi, you need one or two?
Full good leg. One.
Egg, yeah.
واحد. has a kabir. صغير?
Okay. So one hashi. Chicken. One hashi, واحد دجاج.
واحد دجاج واحد هاشي.
أبيض.
Offer for drink. Mirinda or?
दो क्या बोलते हैं?
اثنين. मिरिंडा.
كبسة أبيض.
أيوة.
اثنين سيترس ميريندا.
Kitchen right here. Get it. So we're gonna get some salad too. واحد salad yogurt.
واحد.
Or كنافة. بعدين كنافة. Yeah. Eating area is upstairs. We're gonna find a nice booth. Yeah, we'll take this one. Oh, the AC's right here. Yeah. Let's see here. You take your shoes off and sit and relax. So we just placed the order for the Mandi. Now we're waiting in this booth here. I'm so excited. I haven't had Hashi Basha in almost 2 years. I've been to like Romansi and all these other places, you know, Matam, Hadramaut and all this, but Hashi Basha is the best, #1. You can ask anybody who's a local here in Makkah, they'll tell you that. It's the best, #1.
एक पानी दे ये वो मिलांडा वापस करके एक पानी दे एक को पानी दे
दोनों को
गरम चाय कि ठंडा चाय और ठंडा
ठंडा ठीक है वो काला
हिजाब
ओ ये Thank you. Reveal the first one. Alright, so you got the salad here. You got some of this extra right here. This and this. Here's the hashi. And here is the dajaj. Oof, steaming hot. Looks so good. Alright, let's swap places here. This is a little too much, man. Now we're gonna try this. This thing is essential right here. Essential. Just gonna drop it here. I'm gonna open this up. Scoop some out here. Right, yep. That. It'd be cold over there. Yeah, ये तो salsa के जैसा है or something. वो मिर्च नहीं दी है यार. जो red वाली जो sauce है. Oh, okay. So I guess. Oh, they start giving it like this hot sauce. They used to give the red tube before, the red thing. Alright, so just gonna put it just throughout like that. Okay. Alright, moment of truth. Let's get some here. Some onion. Some of this. Some of that. And some lemon. Alright. Ooh, it's hot. Bismillah. Ten out of 10. Literally 10 out of 10. How's the chicken? Look at that white meat, man. What is that? Like a plum or something? Or it looks really good. Oof. The wait is long, but it's so worth the wait. So worth the wait. It's amazing, amazingly good. Going for another one. The meat is tender, the rice is perfectly seasoned. So good. The best camel mandi in Makkah, #1. We just left Hashi Basha. We're going to be heading to the Al Raji Mosque now. This is the meeting point for all the Hajj pilgrims, inshallah. So just kind of a little helpful advice. So next time, next year, inshallah, when pilgrims are going for Hajj, if you book the Al Rashid Mashar only package, you know where to go and what to do over there. So we're going to go scope that out and show you guys, inshallah. I remember this place, man. Me and Dad walked all the way to...
It's as hot as Florida.
Yeah, but like, I'm not sweating, you know? Are you sweating? I'm not?